Grok just killed free AI video generation. The sad news is that Super Grok has replaced Grok and it is not free. And if you're trying to create videos right now, you're probably stuck on that same page again and again. But right now, thousands of creators are panicking. I know, some of you watching this are actually stressed right now, maybe even a little depressed, thinking, how am I supposed to create my next video? Because your entire side hustle on YouTube, Facebook, maybe even your income was depending on Grok. And suddenly, it's gone, just like that. But listen, this is not the end for you. I'm about to show you is 100% legal, safe, and working right now. So don't worry, I've done the research for you. Today, I'm going to save your little big side hustle, because I found you two powerful free alternatives, and one of them is actually better than Grok. Let's start with the most powerful option right now, Google Flow. This is not just an alternative, it's an upgrade. I'm encouraging you to act fast because just like Grok, Google can change its policies at any time, and this opportunity might not last forever. Right now, you have a window, and if you move quickly, you can lock in access for at least 1 full month. That's more than enough time to create content, scale your workflow, and stay ahead while everyone else is still trying to figure things out. Go to the Google Flow website and log in with your Google account. Once you enter, you'll notice something interesting, and you'll see the Google AI Pro plan. And guess what? It shows $0 per month. Yes, this is a free trial of the premium plan. Click Get Google AI Pro, and you will not be charged if you cancel before 1 month. This is the most legal way to unlock premium AI video features for free. But act fast, because just like Grok, this can change anytime. Now you might be thinking, do I need to add payment details? Yes, but don't panic. It's still $0. You won't be charged if you cancel on time. Here's what I personally recommend. Set a reminder in your phone calendar. If your trial ends on April 19th, set it a few days before. That way, you stay 100% safe. Select Pay on your phone. To cancel, go to Google Play Store, arrow Profile, arrow Payments and Subscriptions, arrow Subscriptions. Find Google AI Pro and cancel it before the trial ends. Done. And yes, each Google account gets 1 free trial. So if you know, you know. Now, if you don't want any risk at all, no card, no reminders, here's your second option, Arena AI. This platform is completely free. No payment details, no subscriptions. Just log in with your Gmail and start creating. It was previously known as LM Arena and was mainly used for image generation. But now, it also supports video generation. You can generate videos using multiple models like GPT, Gemini, Claude, and even Grok. But there's a twist. In battle mode, you can't choose models manually. The system randomly assigns models depending on availability. You also get image-to-video generation, which means you can upload your own images and turn them into videos, super useful for content creators. So listen, Grok might have shut the door, but your little big side hustle is far from over. If this video gave you even a bit of relief, hit subscribe right now. Because I'm not just showing you tools, I'm making sure you're never stuck again. Even if Google Flow disappears in a month like Grok, I'll already have the next best alternative ready for you.